Hi guys, this is Tony Lemon for the Pageant Minute. This is just a reaction to things happening around in pageantry right now. By the way, for today's topic, I saw this picture and it says, sabi ni Mother Halu is going to be pink daw, will be the color for the pageantry Miss Universe in this coming November in Bangkok. If it's true, then pink is a good color and a lucky color for Miss Atisa Manalo. And usually anything pastel is very nice for Atisa, and that is a very good indication. And it may be a possibility that she might win it. It's going to be hard. I'm not going to say easy because there will be 150 girls. My God, 150 countries competing for one crown. And at the same time, this lady at my back na mukhang napakabait at maamo ngayon, don't you miss her? I miss her in a way, di ba? With all the craziness that she did for Miss Universe. Yun lang naman. Thank you. Bye.